going on YouTube? You're watching ExquisiteMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe and remember to hit that bell. Today we're looking at a yacht. This yacht underwent a full detail cleaning, waxing, polishing, the whole 9 yards, and as you can see, the results are quite exquisite. If you're interested in having your automobile, aircraft, yacht detailed, please contact us at 800-292-2341 or for specialized services as well, such as film and picture cars, aluminum polishing, fleet washing, you name it. We have you covered. Everything detailing, everything cleaning with anything that flies, floats, or drives. 800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341. Be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to hit that bell for new notifications just like this.